In a small village where smiles fill the streets, a young boy named Golu plans something special for the new year. Golu, filled with excitement, invites his friends to spend the first night of the year together, wanting to create lasting memories. Surrounded by his friends, Golu feels a warm sense of unity as they all accept his invitation. Golu ponders on how to ensure that everyone has a joyful experience, his mind filled with imaginative ideas. Golu's friends eagerly join him as they attend a big fair together in the evening, drawn by the bright lights, music, and laughter. Golu's eyes widen with glee as they arrive at the fair, their spirits soaring at the sight of the bright lights and the promise of fun. Gathering their courage, Golu and his friends take to the stage, their hearts pounding with excitement as they share their talents with the world. As the evening goes on, Golu and his friends' laughter fills the air, their voices blending in harmony as they dance and sing together, realizing that their unity and shared happiness make the new year truly special. With the clock about to strike midnight, Golu and his friends huddle closely, each sharing heartfelt resolutions and promises to keep each other happy throughout the year. They hug each other tightly, a surge of warmth and love flowing through them as they understand that the true essence of the new year lies in the joy they share together. The story ends with the image of Golu and his friends, their smiles shining bright, ready to embrace the new year together, filled with anticipation and endless possibilities.